Hi guys, welcome back to another video. BenidormscooterSue here, and today I'm down at the town hall. It's the last day of February the 28th, 1st of March tomorrow, Carnival weekend here in Benidorm. But unfortunately the sad news is it's been cancelled because of the poor weather forecast for over the weekend. Sorry, I've got the bells chiming in the background. Yeah, there's rain forecast from early hours tomorrow morning onwards, all through the weekend and into next week. So the local council has decided to cancel the carnival for tomorrow, the parade, and postpone it till next Saturday, the 9th of March. So let's just go and have a little look around the town hall area, as there has been a bit of preparation already done. So as you can see, they have started to put the tents up. And there's a big stage there. The tents, probably for the peñas normally. And then, of course, got the big stage there. So I'm not really sure what they're going to do, whether they're just going to leave it all set up now for the week. I don't know whether there was any sort of groups or anything planned. I haven't heard anything. And I don't know whether the burial of the sardine will carry on. I believe that's Tuesday, I believe. But whether that will be cancelled also. Of course, as always, it is beautiful weather today. But yes, as I've said, it's awful weather is due in. As you can see, the flags are blowing quite a bit in the wind already. So it's a shame. Got Primavera Park there, and of course Benidorm Town Hall there. So yes guys, that's the take on it all at the moment. But the carnival has been cancelled until next Saturday. Alphas de P carnival has been cancelled as well. So a real shame really, but you know, what can you do? Rain stops play, as they say. But hopefully it'll be decent next weekend and they will be able to carry on with the event next weekend. So we're going to take a little trip downtown and see if there's anything happening down in town. See you in a few minutes.